Have you ever noticed that after 40, your body suddenly feels different? The sleep issues, the stubborn weight around your middle, the low energy, even though you're eating well and exercising. And everyone keeps telling you it's just hormones, or it's part of getting older. But what if your hormones aren't broken at all? What if the real issue is metabolic health and the way insulin, stress, sleep, and food now affect your body differently in midlife? I've just written a new article all about balancing hormones naturally, without extreme diets, supplements, or punishing exercise. It explains why what used to work no longer does, and how small, realistic changes can help you feel calmer, more energized, and back in control again. If this sounds like you, the link is in the caption below. Go and have a read. Your body is not failing you.